Now we will discuss uses of some common non-metals. First we'll discuss uses of oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element found on the earth's surface, and it is also the most important gas found on earth because of two reasons. First, it supports all forms of life on earth, all the living things, whether human beings, animals, reptiles, birds, aquatic animals, even small worms and bacteria, plants, they all need oxygen for survival. If there is no oxygen, there will be no life on earth. Secondly, oxygen helps in burning. All the things they burn because of oxygen. If there is no oxygen, there will be no burning. So these are the two reasons why oxygen is the most important gas found on earth. Now the other uses of oxygen are liquid oxygen LOX is used as a rocket propellant. Then a mixture of oxygen gas and acetylene gas when burnt gives a flame called oxyacetylene flame, which has a very high temperature of 3200 degrees Celsius and is used for cutting and welding metals. Then oxygen is also used in the manufacture of large number of compounds like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. The steel industry uses pure oxygen for the removal of impurities. We'll come to another important non-metal, nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for the growth of all plants and animals. Plants utilize nitrogenous compounds present in soil to prepare protein. Now, nitrogen is also used in the manufacture of ammonia and nitric acid, which are used in the manufacture of nitrogenous fertilizers. Another use of nitrogen is that liquid nitrogen has a very low temperature of minus 196 degrees Celsius and is used for storing human tissues and bloods in hospitals. Nitrogen also has a very inert nature because of which it is used in food packing industries. Nitrogen is filled in containers and in packets in which food items are stored to prevent the food from getting spoiled. Now we'll come to another important non-metal, which is sulfur. Sulfur is a soft yellow solid at room temperature. It is brittle and is a poor conductor of electricity. Sulfur is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Sulfur is used in the manufacture of paper, fungicide and insecticides. Sulfur is also used in vulcanization of rubber. Then sulfur is used in making skin care soaps and ointments. Then sulfur is also used in making matches and gunpowder. I'll come to another important non-metal, phosphorus. Phosphorus is very reactive in nature, so it does not exist in free state. It is always found in combined state in nature. Phosphorus exists in several forms like red, white and black phosphorus. Phosphorus is used in making smoke bombs. phosphorus trisulfide or red phosphorus is used in making matches. Then phosphorus is also used as rat poison. Phosphorus is also used in making fireworks. Then phosphorus is also used in making phosphoric acid, from which phosphatic fertilizers are manufactured. Then come to another important non-metal, carbon. Carbon in the form of graphite is used in the manufacture of electrodes of electrolytic cells and dry cells. Graphite is also used in the manufacture of lead of pencils. Then carbon in the form of diamond is used in making jewelry. Coal and coke, which are forms of carbon, they are used as fuels. Then carbon black is used in making inks, carbon paper and ribbons of printers.